The Grand Canyon is truly a natural wonder that captures the imagination and leaves a lasting impression on all who visit. Its grandeur, geological diversity, and cultural significance make it a place of wonder, adventure, and contemplation. The Grand Canyon was formed through millions of years of erosion caused by the Colorado River cutting through the layers of rock. The process began around 6 million years ago, and the canyon continues to be shaped by the river to this day. The Grand Canyon is vast in scale. It reaches a maximum width of 18 miles, 29 kilometers, and a depth of over a mile, 1.6 kilometers. The sheer size of the canyon is awe-inspiring and makes it one of the most remarkable natural wonders on Earth. The exposed rock layers in the Grand Canyon provide a unique opportunity to study Earth's geological history. The rocks range in age from 250 million to 2 billion years old, offering a glimpse into different eras of our planet's past. The Grand Canyon is home to a diverse array of plant and animal species. It encompasses several ecosystems, from desert scrublands to forests. Visitors may spot wildlife such as mule deer, California condors, and endangered species, elk, mountain lions, and a variety of bird species. The Grand Canyon Skywalk is a famous glass-bottomed bridge that extends over the canyon's edge. Located on the Hualapai Indian Reservation, it offers visitors a thrilling and unique perspective of the canyon, allowing them to see straight down to the canyon floor. Rafting through the Colorado River within the Grand Canyon is a popular adventure activity. It provides a remarkable way to explore the canyon's depths, experience thrilling rapids, and witness the canyon's towering walls from a different perspective. The Grand Canyon has been designated as an international dark sky park, meaning it offers exceptional opportunities for stargazing and observing celestial phenomena. Away from urban light pollution, visitors can witness the beauty of the night sky in all its glory. While not directly part of the Grand Canyon National Park, Havasu Falls is a stunning waterfall located within the Havasupai Indian Reservation near the canyon. Its turquoise blue waters, cascading over red rock, make it a highly sought-after destination for hikers and outdoor enthusiasts. The Grand Canyon offers a challenging but rewarding hike known as the Rintarim hike. It involves trekking from one side of the canyon to the other, crossing the river in between. This multi-day hike provides breathtaking views and a deep immersion into the canyon's beauty. The Grand Canyon holds cultural significance for various Native American tribes, including the Havasupai, Hualapai, Hopi, and Navajo. These tribes have ancestral connections to the land and continue to maintain their cultural traditions and spiritual practices in the area.